Alright, so basically every sport and every game ever created is basically a representation of the 8-bit free energy cell. Okay, the 8-bit free energy cell is right here. Okay? It is the head of the clown. So, in pool, do you see your pool table, guys? I sure as hell do. Your pockets, okay? Alright, you have your 3 diamonds, okay? And your 3 diamonds are down here. 1, 2, 3 diamonds in your pockets. And 3 makes 4 makes 5 because the space in between you have a 1, 2, 3, 4 to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's like a 5 by 5 or a 5 by 10. Okay? And look, in the corners, look at the numbers, look at the pockets. Look at the numbers in the pockets. You know? 64, 36, you know? Anyway. It's interesting. Okay? Like, your 8 ball, your 5 ball, your 13 ball, you know, these really important numbers. Anyway. And, okay, here's your darts. And that's darts. Darts is modeled after one face. And you have a circle. Okay? And you read it backwards at 20. You get an O2, which is like a 12. Which is like 12 luminaries of creation. Okay, for the one face. Okay, pool. Okay, hockey is 3 of them. Okay, so you have your offensive zone, and then 2 defensive zones with your net and your net. Okay, and your face-off circle and your 2 lines, your blue line, your red line. Okay. So football, you know, football could be like, I don't know, 4 of these. I don't know, what is it? 50-yard line, right? So like, you know, half of 100. You know, Canadian football is different because it's 120 yards. You know, foosball. Here you go. In foosball, what happens? It's right here. In foosball, what happens is that you're gonna have 2 guys and 2 guys. You know, 2 on 2. But each dude is gonna have 2 bars. So this looks like, you know, one wheel of the free energy, one wheel of the free energy, one wheel, one wheel. But you're going to have an inner ring and an outer ring. You know, it's all about representation. And you have a singularity that's trapped in a box that bounces around. The same thing in pool. You have 15 balls with a triangle, 16, and you divide them into 7 and 7, and you just share the 8. So these Masons, man, like, it's just, their game's about creation, and it's all about numbers. And I don't understand why people aren't taking this seriously. And people aren't taking gematria seriously. And decoding the shit you say. You know, if you have a talk with like your best friend, and he says something or she says something to make you laugh, and you write it down and you decode it, and you do that enough time, I'm pretty sure your friend's gonna look like the Messiah to you, because your friend's gonna be saying all these really very interesting phrases that decode into very interesting things once you understand the connection with creation and numbers and, you know, just Jesus Christ and Austin Lee Meredith characters, you know. So, you know, it's just, so what's in darts? Okay, what's in darts? What's the most points you can get in darts? Okay, you can get 60. The scale for a free energy device is 1 to 60, guys. Okay, and in the center, what's the center dot worth? 50 points. How many magnets do you need on one side of the free energy device wheel? You need 42 and 8 to total 50. It's literally a joke, guys. Like this is probably some of the most important stuff. Like, this is very important, guys. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's your 12.